In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotional pop-up Squarespace. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and looking at the main dashboard. Start by clicking Website in the left-hand menu. This brings you to the core controls for your site so you can quickly access everything you need for the pop-up. Next, click Pages. We won't be editing a page right now, but this view confirms you're in the right part of your site's settings before we move into marketing features. From here, head to Marketing Tools in the sidebar. This is where Squarespace groups features that help you grow your audience and drive conversions. Choose Promotional Pop-up. This is the built-in tool for showcasing an offer, collecting emails, or nudging visitors to a specific page. It's designed to be quick to set up and easy to customize. Click Change Layout. You'll see a few preset layouts that determine the structure of your pop-up. Then select the layout you want. Pick one that matches your goal, simple and focused if you're collecting emails, or a layout with room for supporting text if you're promoting a special offer. Keep it clean so the call to action stands out. Now click Action. Here you decide what happens when someone interacts with the pop-up. Select either sign up for a newsletter or click a button. If you're building your email list, choose the newsletter option so visitors can enter their email directly. If you're driving traffic to a page, a product, or a booking flow, choose the button and plan a clear destination for it. Next, click Content. Edit the headline and body. Make your headline short, specific, and benefit-driven. Think, get 10% off your first order. In the body, add 1 or 2 lines explaining the value and what users can expect. Keep your call to action text direct, like subscribe or shop now, so it's easy to understand. Then click Display and Timing. Select the timing that determines when the pop-up appears. A short delay can let visitors see your page before the pop-up shows, while a longer delay is less intrusive. Choose what feels right for your audience and avoid showing it too quickly. Click Style and select the color. Match your brand colors, but make sure there's strong contrast between the background and text for readability and accessibility. Consistent fonts and clear buttons help the message stand out. Finally, toggle display pop-up to turn it on. Preview your site to ensure everything looks great and behaves as expected. If needed, view it in a private window to see how a first-time visitor would experience it. That's it. Your promotional pop-up is ready to go.